At Ridgewikstad, we focus heavily on strong fundamentals: clean water, functional infrastructure, animal health, handling systems, record keeping, consistent management, and continuously improving genetics and bloodlines. We are passionate about breeding animals that are not only visually impressive, but also functional, adaptable, fertile, and capable of performing in real farming conditions. Over the years, we've continued improving our systems and growing our operation while participating in major auctions and hosting our own annual production auction yearly, which has grown successful over the past several years. But beyond the animals themselves, one thing became very clear to us over time. A lot of farmers are hardworking people with real passion for livestock, but many don't always have the access to practical information, practical systems, or lessons learned through real experience. That's one of the reasons we created the Small Stock Success Program. Not to claim we know everything, and not to say there's only one way to farm, because farming looks different across different countries, environments, and operations. This program was built to share practical knowledge, management ideas, systems, and real-world experiences that farmers can learn from and apply in ways that make sense for their operations. Because at the end of the day, successful farming is usually built through continuous improvement, better decisions, better systems, better management, better genetics, better planning, small improvements that compound over time. Inside this program, we'll share practical lessons, experiences, and systems that help shape our operation and continue helping us improve as farmers. Because farming is always a learning process. You are always adapting, always improving, always solving problems. And no matter the size of the operation or the farming system being used, strong fundamentals will always matter. Welcome to Ridgewikstad. Welcome to the Small Stock Success Program.